Dear students, in this video you are going to learn a lesson from your main course book, Unit 2 on the move. That is the name of the unit. There are 3 sections in each unit. The first section, those 6 days, written by Neha Sakuja. It's first video. In the first video, we discussed this first part. The second part or the rest of the part we are discussing today. You know, it is a diary entry by a young girl. Thursday, 25th July. We reached the farm, and more delights awaited us there. Trees were laden with fruits in the orchard. My grandparents were very happy to see us. All of us got together to pick the fruits. It was heavenly to sink my teeth into the juicy apple and creamy guavas fresh from the trees. We helped pack the fruits into baskets. The fruits filled the air with a delightful fragrance. I decided to carry back some fresh fruits for all my friends and neighbors. Friday, 26th July. In the morning, we went to a village nearby. Boys were out in the field flying kites. Kite flying is a very popular sport in India. In some states, people love to fly kites on Raksha Bandhan and Independence Day. But today, the children are making full use of the pleasant weather. It seems a kite flying competition is being held. One can see colorful kites in the sky and boys running around with the sticks in hand to grab the kites cut by their rivals. I too tried my hand at kite flying. The kite took some time to get off the ground, and when it finally went up in the sky, my heart too soared with joy. The next day, that is Saturday, 27th July. Early morning, we left for home. It had been a pleasant holiday, but we had to get back to school on Monday. When we reached home, we were very tired. We had a light dinner, and then my mother asked us to go to bed. When I looked out of my window, the sky was lit with bright stars. My little brother was sitting near the window and gazing at the sky. When my mother came and stood next to him, the sight of them standing close together touched me and made me realize how contented and blissful my world is. With this lesson ending here. Now we are going to discuss the question answers. First question: how do you think the family traveled from Delhi to Shimla? What makes you think so? The family decided to go to Shimla by car. They wanted to enjoy the beautiful sights of nature on their way. They also wanted to enjoy the drizzling rains on the trees. The line from the text that tell us that they were traveling by car. On the way, we stopped the car as we could not resist the pleasant scene before us. Question number second: list the sentences from the piece, from the lesson, that tell us that the writer is aware of and sensitive to her surroundings. The sentences that tell us that the author was sensitive to her surroundings. First point: the soft water of raindrops on the meadow and the cold breeze added to the charm of the atmosphere. The sweet smell of wet earth invigorated the author. Invigorated means generous. The sweet smell of wet earth invigorated the author. Invigorated means energized. The next point: the grass on the hills was still a pale yellowish green tint with brown, but the monsoon would soon change it into a deep green. The author saw women. The next scene: the author saw women gracefully swinging by with their pictures or earthen pots perfectly balanced on their head. These are the scenes they saw on the way. Third question: describe the day 25th July 2013. In this way also a question may ask in the examination. The author and their family reached the farm on 25th July and more happiness awaited them there. Her grandparents were very happy to see them. She saw orchards laden with fruits. She felt heavenly on eating, very happy to eating creamy guavas and juicy apples. She decided to carry back some fresh fruits for all her friends and neighbors. Then question number 4. The author went to a nearby village and wanted to fly a kite after a little while when the author's kite went high up in the sky. Her heart was filled with joy. And question number 5. What made the author feel contented at the last? After the journey, when the author was sitting on her bed in her home, she saw a beautiful sight of her mother. Beautiful sight of her mother standing next to her younger brother. This made her realize how contented and blissful her life is. These are the important questions from this lesson. And with this, I am winding up today's video session. Thank you.